Seriously? Seriously? I have my mask? Ugh. Is there anything that is more annoying than trying to unlock your phone while wearing a mask and it just doesn't work? I mean, you're wearing a mask, it doesn't authenticate. And you have to type in your passcode, and especially if you have a secure 6 or 8-digit passcode, it's pretty obnoxious to type in every time that you want to use your phone. Fortunately, Apple is solving this problem, and you likely already know that. Thanks to the new update that's available, you will now be able to unlock your iPhone while wearing a mask if you've got an Apple Watch. This is the coolest thing. It is so handy, so helpful, and I'm excited to show you how it works in this video. To get started, you need a few things. You're going to need a mask. You probably already have one. Then you're going to need your iPhone, and you're going to need an Apple Watch. And all these guys need to be running the latest operating systems. So which one is that? Well, for your Apple Watch, you need Apple Watch's watchOS 7.4 update or newer. And for your iPhone, you need iOS 14.5 or newer. Currently, those updates are in developer beta testing, which means they're not widely available. They're just available to developers. But soon, very soon, those updates are going to be available in a public beta for everyone to try out if they so choose, and then eventually a full public release where it'll just be updated to everyone's phone who has them. So right now, you may not be able to try out these features for yourself, but if you want to gamble, you can sign up to be a developer and download these to your device. I don't recommend that. I recommend at least waiting for the public beta, and you can sign up. I think it's just beta.apple.com, and then you can download the betas when they become available publicly. But until then, we can test it out and show you how this thing works. And honestly, it is as seamless as you'd expect. First, just put on your mask. Then, when you go to unlock your iPhone, it's actually going to use your Apple Watch to authenticate. It'll check, make sure you're wearing your watch, make sure your watch is passcode protected, and make sure your watch is nearby. Assuming all those things are true, it'll go ahead and unlock your iPhone, giving you access to its information. So how do you set up this new feature? It's super easy to do. Simply go to your iPhone, unlock it, go into the Settings app, head down to Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and then you're going to scroll down until you see Unlock with Apple Watch. There, you're just going to toggle that on. It should have the name of your Apple Watch listed, in my case, Andrew's Apple Watch Series 6. I toggle that on, and I'm good to go. Now, whenever I'm wearing my mask, it'll automatically unlock. So let's go ahead and test it out again. I'm going to be very muffled as I put my mask on. I go to unlock my phone, swipe up like normal, and boom. It's unlocked. I didn't do anything. My Apple Watch did tap me a few times and let me know that it was going to be unlocking my phone, and there's even a little lock button. So that way if I inadvertently unlocked my phone, I can just tap on that button and relock my iPhone. So that way it doesn't like get swiped up or something and unlocked from your watch when you didn't mean to, lock it back up again. Now, there are limitations to this, don't worry. Of course, Apple puts security first, and there are things that you can't do when unlocking via your Apple Watch. So, what can't you do if you unlock from your Apple Watch? Really, anything that's supposed to be kind of private or protected on your phone with Face ID is still not going to work. So unlocking with your mask and an Apple Watch is going to grant you access to your phone, but it's still going to protect a lot of your information. If you go into settings, you still can't access the passcode or Face ID stuff. You still can't access your passwords that you've stored in there, or your Apple ID information. You can't purchase an app or make an Apple Pay purchase from your phone when you're using a mask. You still have to actually enter your passcode or your Apple ID password to do those things. Basically, for security reasons. Say I am on a plane and I am taking a nap and I've got my Apple Watch on. Someone picks up my phone. They take my phone. They go ahead and see that they just swipe right up and boom, it unlocks from my Apple Watch, and I had no idea because I'm taking a nap. Luckily, they can't still do too much with your phone because they can't make any purchases. They can't use Apple Pay. They can't send money via cash. They can't buy a bunch of apps from the App Store. They can't access your passwords. They can't access any apps that are Face ID protected, like banking apps, password apps like 1Password. All those are still locked down. So it still is very secure. Basically, just gives you that way to unlock your phone really quickly while wearing a mask, but still protecting your most crucial of information. Seriously, guys, this has been a long time coming. We have all been wearing masks pretty frequently for a while now, and it is obnoxious. A lot of people have been clamoring for the in-screen fingerprint sensors that make it a little bit easier to authenticate using a fingerprint versus your face because everyone's wearing masks. But this is a logical next step and takes advantage of what you already have without requiring you to get a new phone. That's why we love Apple and its ecosystem, because you can get these thoughtful updates just over the air quickly when we need them. This feature is very similar to unlocking your Mac with Apple Watch, and I'm so glad that Apple brought the feature to the iPhone. So hopefully iOS 14.5 and watchOS 7.4 will be available soon. If you do have the developer beta, go ahead and let me know over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU what you think of this new feature, and if you think it is worth it, let me know, and I'll check you guys in the next video.